When I have avocado at home, I always make this delicious. We're gonna need and we will slice into. After that, we will need and we'll slice it into several to the container. Be sure we'll need a red onion. Tell me what you think. I'll need an avocado. Leo, from Pennsylvania. I'm doing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it is delicious. There is no reason for you not to do it at your home. Then we'll add 170 grams of tuna. Now, we'll need parsley to taste. And we will transfer to the container. Then, we'll add olive oil to the top of the recipe. We will also add salt to taste. Tell me if you have any recipes with avocado. Need half lime. And work very well. This recipe has become routine here at home.